How to change name in Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So changing name in Facebook is a very simple process. First, go to your Facebook application. Then from your top right corner, tap on the menu bar. Then go to settings and privacy. After that, go to settings. Now, go to account center. After that, tap on your profiles. Now select the account that you want to change the username of. Is it your Instagram or your Facebook? So for Facebook, simply select your Facebook profile. Now you will see the option of name and username. Click on the name. Now you will be able to change your name from here and also add your username from the username section. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.